APWP fans. Today it's Isabella's choice. Actually, was my choice, I guess. So let's get started. And we got the crazies over there. No, not the lantern. The crazies over there. The crazies walked up to the lemonade stand. They said to the man running the stand, "Hey, do you got any grapes?" The man said no. So the crazy kids waddled away, waddle. They waddled away, waddle. That's a lantern. No, that's a birdhouse. To the very next day, the crazies walked up to the lemonade and they said to the man running the stand, "What?
There's 3 birds. And 3 birds.
Running the stand. Do you got any grapes?"
Houses, and I'll give you something extra special.
No, I'm talking about you kids. You're the crazies. He walked up to the lemonade stand for grapes, and the man said, "No, we just only sell lemonade." So you waddled away, You waddled away to the very next day. So we're talking about. She picked to talk about the birdhouse. The paper looks black. Why? The paper looks black.
I want to do a birdhouse. I'll take whatever you need.
On the 5th word, what will I win? Third. What do you like about third? What was your favorite thing in third?
Everything.
Oh, I got some good tips for 5th grade. We went to the park then, got Rowena was boring. The Crushers game, it was alright, it was hot. Like I'm here right now. Fine, no paper. Come on, Isabella, no.
There's 15.
15 of what?
15 birdhouses.
How do you know?
Because it says 15.
Fine, take one.
They're all the same. Whoever you want, a red, a blue, or a yellow.
I don't care. Just take one. Put the paper back in. So I know. Put that back in the bed. She chose yellow. What color is this? Blue. Counts red. Orange. I don't know what color.
This instruction.
Get you.
I just remembered I had blue in my bin.
You had that already?
What, this?
Yeah.
No, I have blue because it says blue.
Before we end this video, I need you to write that Roblox account. Creepy, Isabella. That looks creepy. You are wearing a yellow shirt. I'm wearing gray, but so she chose this orange, a B10 orange birdhouse thing. But it's not. When it's real, it looks like that. Guys, it looks like that when it's yellow. It looks like that. So you get a glimpse of that. But it's yellow. That's really yellow. So. What is that?
Garbage.
What garbage? Stop.
I need to put this on.
Okay, stop. No, you're not doing that on the pot. You got more of these? Some of these?
That's it. What?
You don't got
Sticks.
What do they really need? that kind of glue.
So you need some sort of
Glue.
glue.
Now you gotta write the thing. You need to write the paper. Where's the paper?
Put it in your bag.
No, I mean blank paper so I can look up your account.
I don't have any bond paper.
I got a pencil.
Abby, I do, but I just don't want to do it yet.
Where's my buffet? Oh, you got blank place of pepper. No, I think I. We're just gonna end this vlog today. I'll show you today. I have a piece of paper in my bin. So bye bye guys.